Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Future Concept Cars. Today we're diving into the electrifying world of the all-new 2026 Audi A6 e-tron, a vehicle that seamlessly blends luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. The A6 e-tron boasts a sleek sportback design, characterized by its aerodynamic silhouette and distinctive LED lighting. This design not only turns heads, but also enhances efficiency, embodying Audi's commitment to innovation. Under the hood, the A6 e-tron offers impressive performance options. The rear-wheel drive model delivers 362 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.2 seconds. For those seeking more power, the all-wheel drive Quattro variant provides 422 horsepower, reducing the 0 to 60 mph time to approximately 4.3 seconds. At the top of the range, the S6 e-tron features a dual-motor setup producing up to 543 horsepower with launch control, achieving 0 to 60 mph in a blistering 3.7 seconds. Equipped with a 100-watt battery and 800-volt architecture, the A6 e-tron supports rapid charging capabilities. Audi claims it can charge from 10 to 80% in just 21 minutes, minimizing downtime and keeping you on the move. Audi takes our inside. The A6 e-tron features a state-of-the-art digital cockpit. An 11.9-inch virtual cockpit blends seamlessly into a 14.5-inch touchscreen, providing intuitive access to infotainment and vehicle controls. Optional passenger displays and premium materials elevate the driving experience, ensuring both driver and passengers travel in comfort and style. If you're excited about the future of electric vehicles and want to stay updated on the latest in automotive innovation, don't forget to subscribe to Future Concept Cars. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this overview, and let us know your thoughts on the 2026 Audi A6 e-tron in the comments below. With an estimated range between 300 to 350 miles depending on the model, the A6 e-tron is poised to compete with leading electric sedans, offering both luxury and practicality for the modern driver. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of automotive technology, right here on Future Concept Cars.